Hi there, this is Chris Callett with museGrid.com, and I'm going to show you a little technique for building quick bullets. Now, just as a notice on this is just a technique to get the effect of bullets on your page while we're waiting for Adobe to work out a way of doing bullets. We've shown you another way before using image files and using the text tools to lay out your bullets, but the downside with those is that when you replicate the bullet or you want to add a new bullet, you have to repeat the process of adding the image, which isn't a great deal, but I thought we'd try and see if there was a way of getting that bullet effect in a faster method. The other thing with this is that the method here actually does create a UL with LIs inside of it. So for those of you looking for a code, then this does actually create an unordered list with the LI tags inside. Those LIs do also have additional div tags in them, HTML code, but at least it's part of the way there. So let's go ahead and take a look at this technique. So I'm going to create a new site, just the normal settings, and open up the page. Now we're going to drag the vertical menu widget, and this is what we're going to use for our bullet. So I'm just going to resize it a bit. Let's neutralize all of the effects on this. So I'm just going to go into the states panel here, and we're going to remove all of the states on this button. Before we add any additional bullets, we're just going to start on one so that when we replicate this we've got everything already pre-done for us. So I'm going to select the background fill color here, set that to white. Obviously you'd either choose a 0 color or the color to match your site design. Text I'm going to set to black, and in this particular case I'm going to choose Ubuntu, nice font, and I'm going to set the text to left aligned. Now next what we're going to do is we're going to click on the show left icon, and that will give us this little box here. So I'm going to click on there, make sure that all of the styles are neutralized, so there's only the normal style in there. Then go to the fill, choose my fill, and I've got a couple of different bullet options here, so I'm going to choose this nice little bullet arrow here and make sure that the fill is set to, we'll set it to white, but it could be 0 or again whatever color you like. So we've now got our bullet here. We've got we don't want any links or anything on this, but now if we click on into that bullet, let's change the text here to, oh, there's a point that I've forgotten here. We also need to make sure the menu type is set to manual, okay, because then we can choose the text. So this is a quick and dirty bullet. Hang on, we've lost our background image there. Let's just make sure that we select that. Okay, so now when we click on the button here to add new bullets, we can see here that we're adding these bullets here. We've got a nice bulleted list with our icon, and it's very quick to build these out. Now if we preview this in the browser and we right click, we've just noticed we've got a hover effect there. Let's make sure that that's all switched off. So neutralize these rollover effects. There we go. The reason I'm going to preview in the browser rather than using the preview in Muse is because I want to look at the code. Now you will notice that the cursor does change to the click. Very useful if you want linkable bullets, but it will do that anyway, so we can't get rid of that. But this is to just give this nice easy bullet, quick and dirty bullets method. So it is using a menu, so it is trying to link out to something. But if we right click on that and inspect element, we can see that the bullets are actually in an unordered list, and they are using LIs, but then they've got additional content in them, so they're not just pure bullets. But that's a very quick method to building bullets for your website. I hope you like this technique. It does add the menu JavaScript as well, but if you've already got menus on the page, you're going to have that anywhere, so it's not going to affect load times. But this is a nice way of you being able to build bullets with whatever icon you want and very quickly put bullets on the page. Thanks for watching.